Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you, teacher. Please pass all your assignments. What's one thing you've always wanted to learn or try? If you could describe yourself in 3 words, what would they be? Again, please. What are your favorite subjects in school? Chob, Wicha, Alay. Kaya pa sa tayo. What's one interesting or fun fact about you? Next, Packard. Your favorite quote or motto? Okay. What's your dream vacation destination? What is something interesting about you that not many people know? Can you give me an example of Chinese words that you've learned? Describe yourself in 3 words. Okay. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay. What happened? Okay, goodbye and see you next week. Please return this to the owner. Thank you. Organ, please help me.